drag queen, or perhaps you're gay. Is there a point to all these fancy clothes? With all these buckles from your head down to your toes. It's very simple, but I'm just another girl. It's not so easy, but I'm giving it a whirl. Is there something that you're trying to prove? With all the makeup and the way you move, are you looking for some sympathy? No, I'm trying to be the best girl I can be. It's very simple, but I'm just another girl. It's not so easy, but I'm giving it a whirl. Like my martinis dry, cosmos I won't deny. Smoke those long cigarettes. Thank God I'm not dead yet. Done all these crazy things, short of a wedding ring. Just another girl.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us. I'm Callista Solon, and you're watching NLC Trans. Tonight, I'm here with my dear friend and usual co-host, Tara Alexander. And we have two very, very special guests tonight, very near and dear to us. We have Kate Ramundi and Sandy Brindamore with the Alliance for Living.
Thank you so much for having us back.
Oh, you're so welcome. It's so nice to have you guys on. You know, we're so thrilled about the work that you do.
Thank you.
And we were really looking forward to this opportunity to talk a bit about your upcoming events. So,
Wonderful.
Well, we have quite a few of them.
Yeah.
You know, it's that time of the year when
Yes.
all nonprofits are thinking of the people they serve and wanting them to have what we have.
Yeah.
You know, a wonderful Thanksgiving, a wonderful Christmas. You know, Kate will talk about Thanksgiving. And then, of course, there's World AIDS Day coming up. And for us, it's the 27th World AIDS Day.
27th. Wow.
27th. And we are going to have a march and a vigil on December the 1st. It's always December the 1st all over the world. And you both are invited, of course, to walk with us from the Soldiers and Sailors Monument in New London all the way up to Broad Street where the Living Center is.
Okay.
And we have some obviously very special people that will be with us that evening.
Yeah.
You know, in our hearts for those who've passed away, and of course those who currently have it. And hopefully they'll hear our message, because there are a lot of people in our community that have HIV and unfortunately don't know it. And we want them to hear the message that we are a place of love and caring and support.
It is such a scary thing.
It is frightening.
I will
yeah.
certainly be there. Hopefully, Tara, you can make it as well.
I think it's a Tuesday night.
Yes, it
Tuesday?
is.
Well, I'll be there.
Well, wonderful.
But
Dress warm. It's a hike.
yeah.
We do it with little candles so that we
Well, we
have
light the
way
way.
to light the way.
Yeah.
Right.
And then this year we have some interns from Mitchell College who are helping out and kind of orchestrating World AIDS Day with one of our case managers. And we have red ribbons that will be worn by everybody who walks. One red ribbon for every member we have lost over these years with their name on
Their
it.
name on it. Yeah.
And-
And it was wonderful. Tamika and Gabe are students, they're seniors at Mitchell College, and I met them in a business plan class and talked about Alliance for Living. And they decided that when they were going to do their internship, they wanted to do it at Alliance. And we thought, because they're business students, they'd be able to look at every aspect of what Alliance for Living does. You know, I mean, we're a business like everyone else is. Our business, of course, is serving people. people in need, and they jumped right into it. And when we suggested that they take on World AIDS Day, because every 9.5 minutes, someone in the United States is infected with HIV, and unfortunately, most of them are about 30% are under 34, and then there's a huge group over 50.
Wow.
Yeah, a huge group.
That's
over 50.
interesting.
Well, that message really needs to get out, because when people become widowed or divorced and they're over 50, they think they're safe. So they don't, they have high libidos as like everybody else does, and they really need to know who they're being intimate with.
Yeah.
So just we tell everybody from 14 on to get tested. I don't care if we have a gentleman who's 74 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, that we're serving. And right now our youngest is 18, but unfortunately there are kids out there that are infected. So, yeah.
It's a horrible, horrible thing.
Well, just be safe and get tested, and you won't get the disease.
We have testing cards that can tell people where to go, who to call. We do have free condoms at our front counter for people that come in, whether it's our members, whether it's somebody off the street, whether it's the kids from one of the nearby schools. We do offer that because we do want people to be safe. We don't want them hurting themselves or hurting anyone else.
Sure.
So we would rather be safe.
Would you let people know where your offices are?
We are at 154 Broad Street in New London, which is the main street going past the Crystal Mall as you come into town. You go past the car dealerships, and then you'll hit, there's this donut and coffee place across the street.
Dunkin' Donuts. We're diagonal to Dunkin' Donuts. Just tell everybody
It's a landmark,
that.
not a plug.
It is.
Yes, it is. It's a landmark and absolutely beautiful park, Williams Park,
Right.
actually. And then we have an office in off-site Bacchus Hospital. Right on Lafayette. We have an office there too. And there are 2 testing sites. Actually, there are more because Planned Parenthood also does testing. But if I could just give numbers.
Sure.
Okay. You have to remember you have to use the 860 now.
Right. Yeah.
So it's 860-447-2437 and 860-823-6343. And it's confidential.
It's free.
And it's free.
Oh, that's cool.
And what time is the march on the 1st?
Starts at 5 o'clock. We all
5
gather
o'clock.
at 5. Reverend Paterno will be down at the monument, and she will bless the walk.
Oh.
Yeah. And then Pastor Frank Silva will be with us, as well as Rabbi Aaron Rosenberg.
Oh.
And we hope to have someone from the Muslim faith there also. We're about as eclectic as you can get,
Yeah.
So we welcome absolutely everyone, to the vigil.
Yeah, very nice. I will be there.
Thank you.
5 o'clock,
We'll
I
look
might be
forward.
able to.
Great.
Cool.
Or meet
Okay.
us afterwards at Alliance for refreshments.
Yeah.
I won't be far.
Well, it takes probably about a half hour to 45 minutes to get up from the corner of State and Bank, right? So the vigil probably itself won't begin until close to 6. So we look forward to seeing you there.
Yeah.
Weather permitting, it will be in Williams Park, directly across the street from our building, and if not, it will be inside. We'll set it up so that we have seating and a podium ready to go.
Well, we normally have